Welcome to the 7-Figure Funnels. Today we will talk about funnel builder secrets. Want to build high converting funnels without any technical headaches? Or maybe you're tired of guessing which strategies actually work for boosting sales? Well, I've got something big to share with you today. Funnel builder secrets. If you're ready to transform your online business, hit that subscribe button because this review is packed with game-changing insights that will level up your marketing game. Let's dive in. So why funnel builder secrets? It's not just a tool. It's the tool that has revolutionized how entrepreneurs build sales funnels. Here's why you need it. First off, it's all in one. You get ClickFunnels, the most powerful funnel builder in the world, and you're getting training and resources to master it fast. This isn't just another software, it's a step-by-step system for creating profitable funnels like a pro. With Funnel Builder Secrets, you can go from zero to a high-converting funnel in no time. No coding skills required. The drag-and-drop builder makes it super easy to set up landing pages, order forms, and even membership sites. Everything you need to sell online. And it doesn't stop there. You're also getting over-the-shoulder training from top funnel experts who've been in the game for years. What can you do with Funnel Builder Secrets? Let's break it down. Build automated sales funnels to sell anything. Products, services, or even courses. Grow your email list with powerful lead generation pages. Create upsells, downsells, and one-click order forms to boost revenue. You will also get access to the affiliate program so you can earn commissions by sharing ClickFunnels with others. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the results. With Funnel Builder Secrets, you're not just getting a bunch of features. You're getting the knowledge and resources to build a business that actually converts. These funnels are the real deal, helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses like never before. So what happens after you use Funnel Builder Secrets? The answer is simple. More leads, more sales, more success. With the power of high-converting funnels at your fingertips, your business can grow exponentially. You'll have a system in place that runs 24/7, selling for you while you sleep.